You're not gonna believe what this software can do. So here's a behind the scenes look.
So there's going to be two versions of this video. So the first one with this bit at the start, where you cough, you get everything ready, you've got everything set up, you reach for the record button. And then there's going to be the second version where we show you literally how we cut off the front, we add the subscribe bit, we do an overlay, and we do all the bits and pieces that make the finished product. And we're going to do that all on Vidfuse. So this is the first version, and then we're going to cut off this bit. We'll show you how it all works. So let's get into it. Hi, this video is about arrogance and about the unbelievable cost of that attribute. All right, so let's go and have a look. Now I'm doing this, of course, on the mobile device. Now I'm in the library of Vidfuse, okay, and we can see up the top there that 4 minutes and 52. That video, I've uploaded it. So I literally shot it on the camera on the phone. I've now uploaded it to Vidfuse, and now what we're going to do is we're going to use that video, and I can see I've got a couple of other things there like stickers, etc. If I refresh, I've got my Vidfuse sticker, I've got a few images there, I can record audio, do that sort of stuff. So let's start a new project, and we'll show how all of this comes together. So over here, we go into our home, we go to start a new one, which is the plus button in the top. And let's give it a title to start with. So I'm going to show this as Vidfuse Demo. So this is how we give it a title. Vidfuse Demo, just like that. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to start with that original video clip. So we want to start by adding that video. So I'm going to click the little plus button there, right there. And I click, of course, to add video. It's going to take me to the library, which we just saw. There's the video. So I simply just tap on it and it selects the video that I want to add. Now, as that adds to the timeline, I can click the little refresh button, which is just above in the timeline there. So I can click that and it will kind of load the preview of that video. So just give that a second to do that. So there's going to be two versions. So we can see here, this is the video, and remember that I did this first bit, which was great. There's my cough and everything, and we got everything ready, and we say, okay, where do we want to split it off and get this video started? So I'll just wait till we get there, or I can use the scroll bar to scrub through, but we'll get it to that particular point, and then we say, okay, here we go. This is the first version, and then we're going to cut off this bit. We'll show you how it works. So let's get into it. Hi, this video is about right, that's where it is, right there. So just one back just a little bit. All right, so we can see that that's at 33 seconds. So I'm just going to drop that back just a little bit. And again, I'm doing this on the phone. So 33 seconds. There we go. Now, what I want to do is split the video and delete that first bit. And we can see there that I've split it. So I literally just tap and then click on the scissors icon, and I've split. You can see now the gap in there. So now what I want to do is literally delete that first bit. So I click and hold, and I just drag it off the timeline. Just like that. And I wind this one back to the start of the timeline.
So a couple of quick stories from me.
There we go.
And then the lesson about how it all came together. Arrogance. Thinking that you know something,
all right.
any particular
so now I've got rid of that first bit.
Ignoring good advice,
and we've got that all the way back to the start. And again, I'm doing this all on the mobile device here, which is awesome. You can, of course, do it on a desktop as well, because Vidfuse is on all applications. So now I've got my starting point. Obviously, I want to delete off that ending point as well, so we'll do that. But at some point, I also might want to put in an overlay. So I want to have my my logo or something like that showing up on the screen. So again, I'm going to split it just by clicking on the scissors icon there.
I've been in business for 7 or 8 years. I know what a sales funnel is. I know how
now,
it all works. And,
actually, I don't need to. So I've split it, but I haven't done anything with that split. But that's where I want my overlay to be. So I'm going to add in, and now in this case, it's a sticker. So I'll add in my sticker, which again, I've got in my library, and I want to use the Vidfuse sticker. And I can see it on the timeline there, so I'm just going to drag it up, just like that, and away we go. And then all we need to do is take off the ending. So let's go and do that. So we want to move right up into the end here. So I scroll the actual play bar with my finger, then I bring the play head back so we can get all the way to the ending. Where do we need to be? Somewhere here.
We've recorded a negative on those ones, but I've learned from it. So what I'm trying to get across to you guys, and hopefully it gets to you, whenever you see something that's a topic and you hear yourself say, I know about it, use that as your trigger and read.
Somewhere here, we're about to come to where I stopped filming. And this is our ending point. So again, we just highlight, tap the scissors icon. You can see now that we've split that. I can take off that ending, just like that. Just hold my finger on it for a few seconds and drag it off. And now all I want to do is put my subscribe ending in. Again, I've got that in my library, so I just choose the one I want, and I think I'll choose the leaves and trees one. So that's the one I want. So come back here, click on add, video. There's the leaves and trees one. Dropped it in on the end. Click on save, and that's done. Just like that, I've now completely edited my video. I've got it ready for distribution, which of course is part of our Vidfuse app as well, which connects to Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and Vimeo and all of the others all at the one time, which is great. And I've done that all on a mobile device. So I've shot the video, edited the video, added in my branding, added in my ending, taken out the front, everything that I needed to do on that video, and been able to distribute it all the way up to the multiple sites as well. And there's all our sites ready for publishing. I can choose which ones it's going to go to. I can send it directly to those channels. And that is all done from within the Vidfuse app, everything in one place. How cool is that? So I'm not going to publish that right now, but that is Vidfuse and a quick overview demo of how easy it is to shoot, edit, and publish all from the mobile app.
Check out our full review at www.me.org. That's www.me.org. And don't forget to click the link below.